I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on Reddit is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Start by navigating to the Reddit website and logging into your account with your current credentials. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select User Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access the Account tab. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the Account tab to access your account details, including your email settings. Step 4. Change your email address. Locate the email address field, delete your current email, and enter your new email address. Make sure to double-check for typos. Note, if you misspell your new email, you may not receive the confirmation email, so be careful. Step 5. Confirm the change. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. I hope this helps you update your email on Reddit easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.